Mr. Mehdi, Mr. Mehdi Bulgare from Iran, thank you very much for joining this webinar, special broiler brooding webinars. And we are specifically discussing the ventilation. And Mr. Mehdi, let me know that what is the minimum ventilation rate at high altitude. It means 1000 meter from the sea level. What should be the minimum ventilation rate for the broilers you recommend?
This is good question. We consider 15% more than 0.8 cmh. But another thing is very important in high altitude, type of the feed. With the crumble is not good for the high altitude. And this is you go to the metabolic stress and ascites is very dangerous at this time. My advice is that using the crumble and also more ventilation and low density help you for the manage minimum ventilation during the cold time in high altitude.
Right. That's very great. Thank you very much for this. And also let me know the plastic pads, the cooling efficiency of the plastic pad, and which company provide the best plastic pads, cooling pads, and what is the life of cooling pads? Let us know, please.
This is clear for us.